Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hi friends, in this lecture we will see how to apply union operations in Pyspark. First we will see how to apply union all. Union all is nothing but it will get all the records from both the data frames including duplicates. Second one, we will see how to apply union. Is nothing but it will retrieve all the records from both the data frames excluding duplicates. Third, we will see how to apply minus. If we apply minus, it will cancel matching records from both the data frames and retrieve only non-matching records from the first data frame. Finally, we will see how to apply intersection. In intersection, it will retrieve only common records from both the data frames. Now let's have a look at our data frames. Here we have two data frames. First one is EMP. It has 14 records. The second one is EMP_dup. It has 17 records. Now let's see how to apply union all operation. So to apply union all operation, first we will take EMP data frame and then apply union function, and inside union function we'll pass our second data frame. Then by using show we will display the results. So let's try to execute this one. See, it got all the records from first data frame and second data frame including duplicates. And let's have a count. 17 plus 14 is going to be 31. See, we got 31 records. Now let's see how to apply only union operation. So to apply a union operation, for the above function, we are going to pass distinct function. We are going to use the same function as it is and will append distinct function. So distinct will go ahead and remove the duplicates from the output. So let's try to execute this one and see here it should get 17 records because I have appended 3 new records in EMP_duplicate data frame, and rest of the 14 records are common with the EMP data frame. So the first 14 plus 3 is going to be 17 records. So that's why it got 17 records, and let's check for the count. See, it retrieved 17 records. Now let's say, for example, if you want to apply union all on set of columns, then we have to select those respective columns which we want to apply union all. Then from the second data frame also we'll get those respective columns. So let's try to execute this one. This is going to be union operation which will remove duplicates. And let's have a look at the count. See, 17 records. Now we will see how to apply minus. To apply minus, we have subtract function. So whichever data frame we want to get non-matching records, we will take that data frame first, followed by subtract function, and inside subtract we'll pass second data frame. Is nothing but EMP_dup. So let's try to execute this one. Here it shouldn't get any records because EMP has 14 records and EMP_duplicate has 17 records. Whatever the records EMP data frame has, all the records are available in EMP_duplicate data frame. So there are no non-matching records in the first data frame is nothing but EMP. That's why it retrieved 0 records. Now let's say if we pass EMP_duplicate data frame first, and we are going to pass EMP in subtract function. Now let's execute this one. Now it has to get 3 records. See, we got 3 records. So finally, we will see how to apply intersection. So by using intersect function, we will apply intersection. The intersection is nothing but common records from both the data frames. Now it has to retrieve 14 records. Let's have a look at the count. Right, it retrieved 14 records. So this is how we can apply union operations in Pyspark. Thank you guys.